Oh, there's fuzz floating everywhere now. What's up, DIY babes, and happy Wednesday! So today's video is a little bit different and not necessarily a weekly vlog because honestly I did a bunch of shopping and I thought it just deserved its own video. So basically I have this third bedroom that is just full of a whole lot of nothing, and I've kind of been going back and forth on what I want to do with this room because I didn't really feel the need to rush into decorating it and really wanted to, you know, take my time, buy furniture that I love, and just kind of take a step back and wait until it hit me the perfect time of what I should do with this room. As per my New Year's resolutions, I want to be more flexible and I want to spend more time doing like meditation and just like chilling out because I am a highly stressed type A type of individual, so I really just need a place to like center myself and cool the F down. So I've started ordering things online and I figured that I should haul some of my online purchases as well because I bought some stuff today, but I think like the big pieces are very much like the online purchases. Okay, so the first thing I got is this rug, and it's a really cute like natural type of color, which I don't normally go for. You guys know I just like vomit color and glitter everywhere. So I'm trying to keep the tones like neutral and chill and not too in your face to go along with the whole vibe of the room. So that's the rug. And then the centerpiece of the room is gonna be this really cute canopy situation where hopefully I'll do most of like my chilling out and my like thinking and stretching. Watch me just like not even use this room at all, but at least it'll be super cute. So this is the canopy that I got, and this is not coming for another 3 weeks, which like pains me a little bit because I want to decorate right now and I'm just like ready. I'm ready to flip this entire room. So this is the canopy, and then underneath I ordered 2 of the floor cushions from Urban Outfitters, both in like a purpley mauvey like violet color. So ordered 2 of those, and like realistically this could even just be like a nap room. And then I also got this massive gold mirror, which is gonna be if I want to do like workouts or something, and I feel like stretching you kind of just like want to see yourself as well and like watch your progress and like also maybe take some OOTDs in that mirror. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, those are my big online purchases that are going towards that room. And also I feel like I should show you what we're working with right now because it is just like been the room where I put things when it doesn't have a place. Okay, so this is what we're working with right now. I'm in the process of organizing all the little bins that were in this shelf right here, and it's just not a good situation. So this rug is gonna go to the guest bedroom, and that couch is gonna go to the little office down there. I'm doing a bunch of donation stuff, just kind of purging all the things that were in this shelf because I've been putting this off since I moved in. I have some plants, some wall decor that never got hung up, this massive portrait of myself that a photographer, Vitaly, gave to me, and then this stuff over here is just like samples and merch stuff, and this fan has no home either. So we're basically just working with, I don't know, what even is it? It's just like a junk room. It is just a straight up junk room. And we are back. So first of all, I went to HomeGoods, and there's like a new one in my neighborhood, and it is it is so organized and so clean. I went right at store opening and it was so peaceful and quiet and just me and the other middle-aged women. It was great. Okay, so the first 2 pillows I got are this one, and HomeGoods is so freaking cheap. This was $15 and it's so cute. I feel like it'll tie in really well with the rug. I'm trying to stay muted with all my tones, so I didn't pick out too many accent pillows, so keeping it chill. So then this one, and then I love this one. I'm obsessed with this one. Look at it! Sorry, my monitor's over here. I'm just like obsessed with how fuzzy it is. It's fuzzy and has all these like little glittery accents in it, almost like tinsel kind of in the pillow. So those are the 2 pillows. Oh, there's fuzz floating everywhere now. Okay, so those are the 2 accent pillows I'm gonna start with. So I'm gonna see like what the vibe is. Maybe some more like earthy tones, maybe some greens. We'll see. I wanna get the daybed pillows in and the canopy and stuff first, and the mirror is gold. So I'm gonna see, bring it all together, and then do more accent pieces. And then HomeGoods has the cutest indoor plants, and this is my planty right here with a really cute like wickerish base. Not entirely sure what kind of, it's like a mini fig tree maybe? I don't know, your girl knows nothing about plants, and you know this plant is fake because we don't keep plants alive in this house. So super cute. Hopefully Moose doesn't, I feel like this moss looks like something Moose would really enjoy eating. So maybe this will go on a shelf. And then also from HomeGoods, I got this really cute terrarium and it looks like this. I actually picked up from a different section, just a plain gold empty terrarium, but then for $10 more, I found one that had stuff inside already. Like realistically, the terrarium would probably sit empty for at least a month or two before I ended up filling it up. So I feel like this was the move. I made a good decision here. Also fake. I just feel like it says something really not great about me that I can't even keep a succulent alive. Maybe that's when you become an adult, is when you can keep a succulent alive. Next, I got this embroidery wall hanging. It looks like this. It actually looks really similar to the two that I have. Why is this so hard? It's like right there and right there. Wow, that was really hard. Again, just going with the earthy beige tones. And then, oh my gosh, this was the first piece that I found when I walked in and it was like kind of stuffed at the bottom of a shelf. But hang on, wait. It is so cute. And I just feel like on Urban Outfitters, this would have been like $100 at least, but it was $25 at HomeGoods. Okay. Oh my gosh, how cute. I can't even show you the bottom. Tassels at the bottom, it's so cute. But this is like a really similar color to the floor cushions, or actually maybe closer to this one. Maybe something in between these two colors. But yeah, so it's a big wall hanging and not entirely sure where it's going yet, but probably the wall that has the canopy will be like kind of a gallery wall. How cute is this? I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. I walked in, saw this piece, and I was like, it's gonna be a good HomeGoods day. And then that's it for HomeGoods. And then I went over to Urban Outfitters and I didn't actually end up picking up too much stuff from their home section. I feel like Urban Outfitters online is totally where the home stuff is at. But I did get a few little mirrors and Mia actually has these as well and they're so cute at her house. So shout out to Mia for inspiring this purchase. A little overpriced, I must say, but they were really cute and I know it's gonna fit with the vibe of the wicker. Oh my God, guys, I got a super cute chair. Okay, wait, I'm actually gonna unbox a few of the things that have arrived. I have the mirror and the chair. I'm gonna unbox those and put these in the room so you can see how cute it's gonna look. It's a There's a special name for the chair, but it's so cute. Okay, so these are the 3 wall pieces and I'm gonna try and not show you. Oh look, there is my monitor and my camera. Great, love that for us. Okay, so anyway, so I got 2 of these ones, more of like the sunburst shape, and then I got a 3rd one which looks like this. Wow, I'm just showing you all of the mess that is sitting behind the camera right now. Wow. Okay, so I got this one, and then a 3rd one. And they'll go on the walls, probably kind of staggered, maybe on the canopy wall as well. I'm super excited. A little overpriced, but super cute. Also, this started off as a home decor haul, but I mean, I picked up a few things at Urban, so I might as well just show you what I got, because I got some really cute like little bralettes and tank tops and stuff. Okay, first one. This is the coolest thing ever. I don't know where and when I'm gonna wear it, but I will find a time and place because this is amazing. It's not quite iridescent, it's just got like a metallic-y sheen to it. So cute. And then Remy is having a themed party this weekend. I'm not sure how much she's like told the internet, so I don't want to spoil what it is, but I picked up this for Remy's themed birthday party this weekend. Not entirely sure if I'm gonna wear it. Gonna see how hard all my other friends are going with the theme, but might be wearing this on Saturday. We'll see. Stay tuned on Instagram at laurDIY. And then I already have this in a few other colors, but this is a really cute, just like spring color top, I feel like. Also, I've been really into cropped. Oh, this is from Urban as well. I got this like cute little cropped sweater that kind of like ruches at the bottom, so it's really cute and fitting. So yeah, just got this one in a blue. I have it in like burgundy and gold and nude and I think actually navy as well. It's a great basic. You know, it's like when you find a good basic, you just buy it in all the colors. And then I am going to emo night tonight, a little concert. This is not emo whatsoever, but I do really like the colors. This, you know what, this is not relevant to emo night. I'm probably gonna wear this tonight, but it's not emo. It's not emo, but it is a really cute bodysuit. This looks very tiny. Is it stretchy? Yeah. Oh, she's stretchy. She's stretchy. I'm gonna go unbox the mirror and the chair and show you guys those 2 pieces put into the room, and you can start to envision what it's gonna look like. That rug that you guys saw in there already needs to be relocated to the guest bedroom, but that's for a different day. Okay, update! So here is the Papazan. Also, that's the name of the chair. I was trying to remember. Here's the chair. Ah, it's so cute. And then here's the mirror. Oh, hello. It's like a really nice like goldy, but like almost wood. It's like kind of a weird color. I don't know. I'm into it though. And then that's gonna go soon. This is gonna go soon. And then I've got all the decor that's gonna go up eventually. Not entirely sure what I'm gonna do with that big portrait of myself. I don't think that's gonna go in here. I don't see the need. But even just seeing the room emptied out with like a few pieces in makes me super excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little midweek haul. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't seen last Sunday at It was a DIY challenge with Kian and JC, and they are honestly some of the funniest individuals I have ever filmed with. So if you haven't seen that, that'll be linked in the down bar below. Make sure you're following me on all socials to stay up to date with everything. And I will see you guys on Sunday for another Sunday Wine again. What's for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys. Love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the